Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Thanks for watching. This week's Super Cool Fold was designed by my friend Chris Kozarek of New York for client Atlanta Botanical Garden. This was for their special event, the Garden of Eden Ball, and had a kaleidoscope theme. Well, he had a modest budget, so he wanted to design something that was really exciting, but that fit into a standard size rectangular envelope, and I think you're going to really like this. I love the shape it creates when it's closed. So you got this almost like a pointed side over here, almost like an arrow. So you've got the squared side here, goes right into a rectangular envelope, which is cool, but just very intriguing shape. So when you open it, it's actually a tulip fold. So if you watch Fold of the Week, tulip folds have kind of a crisscross score and then another score across the middle where these panels kind of collapse in. That score in the opposing direction allows it to collapse. You can do these in lots of different shapes and configurations. Oftentimes tulip folds are squares, but I love that he extended these panels so that he could get into a rectangular shaped envelope. I also really like the shape it creates on the outside and the surprise on the inside. And this tulip shape also kind of creates a sculptural effect. It makes it self-standing. So this was a kaleidoscope theme. This was done with 4 spot colors, and so they're really nice and bold. This was printed by Standard Press in Atlanta, and the paper is Finch opaque vellum, about 100 cover, I would guess. So die score, hand fold, insert into a rectangular standard size envelope, and mail. Really cool and fun, and I love these types of low budget wonders, so I hope you like it too. That's your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week, rectangular tulip fold invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.